Hi everyone, welcome to AI Food Photography Tip Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to remove blemishes and imperfections from your food images. So it'll be a really simple and sweet tutorial today. So I'm going to grab this image of an avocado that I shot and I'll show you the larger image here so you can see the imperfections. We've got lines from slicing the avocado, we've got little blemishes. Now, as much as we try to pick out the best ingredients possible in food photography, Mother Nature always has its own idea, right? So no avocado, no vegetable, no fruit is perfect, especially once you slice into it. So we want to remove these imperfections so that it looks a lot cleaner. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's really, really simple. So here's the image here. I'm just going to write in here, remove slicing lines and browning from the flesh of the avocado. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here's the image. It looks really, really clean. Definitely perfect, almost too perfect, right? So at this point, what I would do is I might actually ask it to go in and add the imperfections back in, like maybe I want the seed to be the original seed or just have a few blemishes here and there just because we don't want it to look completely fake. This is real photography that we're doing here, so when it's too perfect, I think people kind of catch on that it's AI, so we want to make sure that it looks as natural as possible. So at this point I might go in and actually ask it to add in some imperfections. But yeah, that's an easy way to just remove blemishes. If you have some browning or some wilting happening on your fruits or vegetables or just food in general in your images, this is a great way to go. Okay, I will catch you next time on our AI food photography tip, where we'll go over another way to improve your images in food photography with ChatGPT and other AI products. Bye!